Hi, in this video I am going to share how to create breakout rooms using channels feature in Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is releasing a real breakout feature later this fall, but since there is no real timetable attached to that, I wanted to introduce this as a workaround in the meantime. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the teams that you want to create the breakout rooms for. It's a good idea to do this ahead of time. So here I have the group discussion. In this tab, we'll do our whole group instruction. And then I've created 2 groups so far. This group, you notice, doesn't have a lock in it. That means anyone in my team can access this channel. If it's not a problem, or not an issue for your class, if students pop in and out of this group to look at any files or notes that are updated, then you can use that. If you want to actually assign students to groups and lock other students out, you want to create a private channel for that. To do both of these types of channels, you're going to click on these ellipses right here in the top hand corner. Scroll down to where it says Add Channel, and you can name your group. Try to steer away from naming groups team, since your teams is actually a different feature. I know that gets kind of confusing, so I'm going to stick with groups here. You can add a description underneath here if you would like, or you can just leave it blank. Click on automatically show this channel if you're doing a standard channel that's available to everyone, so that automatically pops up in their channels list. If you want to hide the channel and have it accessible only to students that you assign, click on private and then click next. It takes you to a page where you can now enter the students' names. So I can enter the first one here, and then here, and then click add. Wait for it to show up here. If there's someone that you added incorrectly, just exit their name or X out their name. If there's someone that you want to add later, remember you can go in and manage channels and teams very easily by just clicking the ellipses next to each name. And then I'm going to click done, and it's going to show up here. Once you have all of your breakout rooms set up and assigned, you can either assign them as a private group or just assign it while you're in your group discussion and type out here. You can say at Martha and at Paul, you two are in group 3, and do that for all of your students. Now to start the actual meetings, you can go to the very bottom in your group discussion, click on Meet Now. Here's where you can toggle your camera on and off. I don't have a webcam set up to this camera, but if I did, I would just press on, or this computer, press on, and then click Meet Now, and then you have your first meeting done. If your students are all on, they can click Join, or you can invite them as well. And click back on my teams over here, go to my Group 1 breakout, and I'm going to start another meeting here. Notice that my other group discussion, so this is the whole group, pops up over here. The people over there can still be meeting, but I'm not there. I'm over here in this meeting checking in with these kids. To move back to over there, I can just press the play button and toggle back and forth. It is important to not press the hang up button because you really just want all of them playing in the background. So let me go ahead and click on group 2 now. Click on Meet Now at the bottom. Join this group. And I'm going to keep on going and get group 3 in there and Meet Now. And you can see off to the side who those people are in your group as long as you have this participants tab open, and just kind of toggle back and forth. If someone accidentally hangs up, they can go back to their channel and click that join button right there. If you have any questions,